Noun, what do you think? Vaping now times. She called music song both sides. Sweet head. I took this picture this morning as I'm running. You can see to prove to you how special you are in my life. Anything you all day about me, just ask me. They want to spoil our relationship, my love. Please do not allow that to happen. Good morning, I'm waiting for you. Your message, my love. Loving you feels like breathing, but now it's suffocate, suffocating. Our love was a story, now it's just unfinished chapter. I give my heart. You are written it I still see your smile on my dreams. But it fades when I wake up. You were my everything, and now I am left with nothing. I never thought silence could hurt more than words. You took my smile and left me with tears. I wish I made waiting to you as much as you matter me to me each day. Without you feels like eternities. You are the reason for me happiness. But now sadnessing to you. You are the reason for my happiness. But now my sadnessing to you want to us get together in person. But you do not want to be the needful. So how are we are going to meet in persons? There no love without trusted. The sun is racing in the sky, but the day does not start. Until the raisins out of bed, you are the only source of light and warmth I need, lighting up my life with your smile and warming me with your merry presence. Now that you gotten up and ready, this my day has ended. It started. Thank you. You are my sunshine on cloudy day, my comfort in times of stress, and my joy in times happiness. I love you more than you will. Every now, every time I say I love you and mean to it more than the last time you were of my heart deserves, and I am so lucky to have you in my life. I love you with all my heart and souls. You are my best friend, confidant, and my one true love. Thank you for being you. You are the love of my life. You are my dream come true and my everything. I promise to love you more each day and precious every moment we shared. Love you more with each other passing day. Our beauty, your kindnesses, and your love make me complete. I am so thankful for you. At the first time, you think that the love was at first it was like a predaces, then slowly things start to change. At first, I felt a difference, then I feel really strange. You are indifferent behavior to me. It's all the loose when your eyes can see, not feeling the pain anymore, not feeling the warmth in my heart. Distance has seriously come in between us, it has seriously made us apart. I do not feel your love anymore. I do not feel that longing. It's all over from my side as that written for that dead. In the sense you are the reason why I have sleepless night. You are the reason why I tend to hold my pillow to height. It you that I am thinking of when I lay down at night, and you are the reason I cannot sleep without you saying good night. I never known that true love was united. I meet you. Thank you for having me every day. What it feels like to be deeply loved. You taught me so much about kindness, patience, and unconditionally love. I am forever grateful for to you have in my life. Your love has transformed me, healing past hurts and nurturing my future dreams. The love we share is like stating bridge, a connection our heart with a bond that is unbreakable, and I shared every moment we spent nurturing it with you. I have described the beauty of vulnerabilities, and I appreciate how can be our true selves without fear of. Every memory we create is a testament to the trust and understanding that underpin our relationship, making our love stronger with each shared experiences. I promise to you are trusted and now partner you can always rely on, ready to support you are in my adversity and dreams. You are believe in me and express me to strive for greatness. As I am grateful to have you, someone who sees the best in my even when I cannot see it myself. You are perfection every time I am around. My heart escape a bit. I feel so happy and safe with you. You are everything I ever wanted. I know the very moment I saw you that we are destined to be together.